Okay, everyone. This is our friend Daniel. That is motherfucker. Just hear what he said. Alright, Daniel. Daniel, ikaw sa... Okay. Okay. Where do you... Oh, yeah. Okay.
Tambak ang gawa. Ari pate ang gagawin ko.
So, Daniel is my favorite
Dami
neighbor.
patase.
Hello. Hello, guys. Hello, I'm Prince Nathan Gitavera. And I'm Isabella. And I have madaming lights. Let's go, broski. Oh, look. Look at the scary monsters. Okay.
You are my best friend, okay?
Yeah, I'm your best friend. But the YouTubers don't know you yet. Yeah. Hello YouTubers, I'm Prince Nathan Gitavera and I'm neighbor with Kuya RJ.
Oh, look. I got 12 subscribers. Duh.
Yeah. And I got 1 billion thousand for knowing my name. But mine, it's 5.